What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best pocket knives to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
For over 47 years, we've known a knife isn't just a knife. It's fearlessness. It's steel that's shaped from experience. And we craft with this understanding because we've been where you are. We live for that moment. Caught between the wild unknown and turning back. Between pushing forward or accepting defeat. It's an integrity we share, to never back down. And we build this into our designs. Because we know that when we hand you a knife, we're handing you something more. You can feel it in the weight, in the tangible balance between blade and handle. The smallest taper, the razor-sharp edge. Each intention and design changes the way it's handled. To last longer by your side. To be worn, scratched, used. To brave the toughest environments. We push to craft the best, most accessible knives in the world. Because we know the next level is harder than the last. From adventures in the backwoods, to everyday tasks in the city, to long climbs and steep rides. With Kershaw, success is not just luck. It's preparedness and dedication for the willing. And we will brave forward together. Because that is what the fearless do. Rise to the next level.
The NedFoss Damascus is a premium quality folding knife that is highly sought after by knife enthusiasts and collectors. This knife is made using the ancient art of Damascus steel forging, which creates a beautiful and durable pattern on the blade. The blade is made from a combination of high-quality Damascus steel and VG10 stainless steel, which ensures it is both strong and rust-resistant. The blade of the NedFoss is a classic drop-point design, which makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from everyday cutting to more heavy-duty tasks such as hunting or camping. The blade has a sharp and precise edge that is capable of slicing through a wide range of materials with ease. The blade is also equipped with a reliable liner lock mechanism, which ensures that the blade remains securely in place when in use, and can be easily closed with one hand when not in use. The handle of the NedFoss is also made from high-quality materials, including beautiful rosewood and brass. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip and features a classic design that is both stylish and functional. The handle also features a lanyard hole, which makes it easy to attach to a keychain or lanyard, so you can carry it with you wherever you go. Overall, the NedFoss is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality folding knife that is both beautiful and functional. Its durable construction, sharp blade, and comfortable grip make it a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from everyday cutting to more heavy-duty applications. Whether you are a collector or just looking for a reliable knife for everyday use, the NedFoss is an excellent choice that will not disappoint. So that's it for the top 5 best pocket knives to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.